I guess it comes with a Ziploc in case you're not using it. And since, as you can see here, it is hermetically sealed. So once you pop that seal, they provide you with a Ziploc to put it in for storage. So that's what I think this is for. And I could be wrong, but sometimes, I know rarely, I am correct. So there we go. You can check out the close-up of this bit here, just in case you want to do it. But I can't recommend you check out Twitter, because Twitter is a dying, horrible website. Anyway. Ooh, social media. Anyway, this is pretty cool, guys. I hope that it prints as well as it looks. And if it does, we'll have some really cool 3D printed parts, not minted parts.
Likey